This is a stonefish. It hides in many rocks. It is very well camouflaged. Once a fish comes, the stonefish eats the fish. One thing you may notice in the stonefish is it has spines, which are very similar to a fang of a snake. A snake's venom gland is made up of many parts. Once something gets, either the snake bites on something or the fish spines, the compressor muscle gets squeezed, making the venom gland put venom into the primary duct, then to the accessory gland, to the secondary duct, and then down to the body. They have myotoxic and neurotoxin. The myotoxic rips and damages muscle, and the neurotoxin attacks the neurons to go to the brain. This makes verrucotoxin. The yellow strings are neurons that go up to the brain, and muscles are the things that keep us moving. For example, a neuron. Let's say you touch something hot. Your neuron sends a message to your brain, hot. Then the brain sends a message back and says remove hand. So you remove your hand. Verrucotoxicity can cause intense pain, respiratory weakness, and also affects the cardiovascular system and could cause paralysis. They live in South Asia, Northern Australia, and Eastern Africa. That's all for today. If you want to see more, subscribe and like.